If Firefox stopped asking you to save passwords, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to restore the missing save password prompt in Firefox in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if you want Firefox to remember your logins again when you sign into websites, and it only takes a minute to fix. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tips. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the upper right corner and click the menu button with the 3 horizontal lines. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This will take you to Firefox's main settings page, where you can control passwords, privacy, and other browser options. Now, on the left-hand side of the settings page, click Passwords and Autofill. This is where Firefox keeps all of the password-related controls. After that, scroll down until you find a password settings section. Depending on your Firefox version, this area may be a little farther down the page, so take your time and look carefully. Here, find the option that says Ask to save passwords. If this feature is turned off, Firefox will not show the prompt when you log into websites. To restore the save password pop-up, simply check the box to enable it. Once this is turned on, Firefox should start asking you whether you want to save new login details again. If you want to improve the password experience even more, you can also enable additional features like Suggest Strong Passwords. This can help Firefox create better passwords when you're signing up for new accounts, which is great for security and convenience. These extra options are optional, so you can turn them on only if they fit the way you use your browser. After making your changes, the final step is very important. Restart Firefox. Close Mozilla Firefox completely, then open it again. Restarting the browser helps apply the new password settings properly, so the missing save prompt should start working as expected. And that's it. You've restored the missing save password prompt in Firefox. Now your browser should once again ask you to save passwords when you log into websites. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next tutorial for more quick Firefox fixes and helpful browser tips.